here in Southern California. If you hire one to get you in shape, how do you know they're really qualified for the job? You may want to check their credentials first. Eyewitness News reporter Lori Corbin explains why.
You finally decided to get in shape. But before you sign up, ask a very important question. Bypass verification. An exception? Equinox in Pasadena.
They have to have their degree or only one of 4 certifications, and there's like 800 out there today. So they're all tested. Then on top of that, they're also auditioned.
With over 300 certification agencies, no state or federal requirements, only 4 get top reviews. The National Strength and Conditioning Association and the American College of Sports Medicine both require a college degree before you can test.
It looks good and it's got a good body for people that have made an investment in their education.
There have been a number of studies that indicate prayer and meditation can reduce stress, even boost your immune system. But can it help with weight loss? Eyewitness Food coach Lori Corbin takes a look at a fitness program you can have faith in.
Yeah. And now keep the shoulder elbows right there.
Okay. Following advice of experts, many move more, eat less to lose weight, but not always with great results. So some in the Southland are looking to a higher power for help.
Having a focus on God as the main point keeps me from going off the deep end.
The spiritual aspect is awesome.
There's more than just our physical side. And the industry for decades has addressed just that one component. There's also our emotional and our spiritual, and those play a huge factor in the total well-being of the individual.
Researchers have proven that the power of prayer not only helps reduce levels of stress, but also aids in healing serious illness. But if you want to get buff or lose a little weight, some people think a dose of spirituality and a little workout is a great combination.
Programs like this is that it draws people together, but also shares some of their emotional struggles, some of their spiritual struggles. And that's
Trainer Dina Noah agrees with Brown's philosophy.
It's countless years and decades of diets and programs and fads. You can't do this alone. Just get to the heart of the issue. What are you trying to do this for? And you have to deal with the heart issues, your expectations, and all those things as well, in addition to the sets and reps and what do I eat. Even when you incorporate that into the physical perspective, it gives them a sense of purpose, a reason to go on.